Let's go to the lake. Let us go to the lake and enjoy some breeze. Guys, nothing much again. We are at the lake and I came here to have a look at the sunset. But today it's not coming out. Yeah. Today is not that coming out clearly. So actually, this was the plan for today. Come here and have an evening look of the lake. Over there is the amphitheater. Right now it's not open to the public. Still close to the public. Yeah. But here, this is the market. There is where I can see people coming. But meanwhile, let's enjoy the evening view. The evening sunset. Guys, what's up? How are you doing? It's another vlog in Rosette Experience YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. I'm also doing well. Welcome to another video. This is where I am right now. Today is on a Tuesday, the time I'm recording this video. And I was just having how do you say? I was just having a morning walk, and I ended up coming to this river here. I don't know the name of this river, but I was just connecting to the nature this morning. Yeah, so welcome to another video. It's been a while. It's been a while making vlogs, but we are here again. Yes, I was coming from this side and I ended up to this river. So I didn't want to cross because look, I'm having the slippers and I didn't want to cross. I didn't want to cross the place because I'm having these on my feet. So anyway, welcome to another vlog in Rosette Experience YouTube channel. If it is your first time in Rosette Experience, we have passion for creating memories that never fade. So it's been some weeks, few weeks to say, to be honest. Yeah, I've missed the street of YouTube. I've really missed the street of YouTube. So welcome to this another video. And today is on Tuesday, and for the returning subscribers who always know what we always do on Tuesday is we are always having the off days, a day off from work. So this morning, let me show you the time. Let me just show you the time. It's 10, like, let me just show you a little bit. It is 10. You can see it's 10 in the morning, and on Tuesday we don't always go to work, so I was just having a normal walk. Yes, just connecting with the nature. How do we call this, guys? Safari dance. Anyway, back to the vlog. I was having just a normal nature walk in the morning, and I ought to have done this nature walk very early in the morning. Let me just pick this call. Anyway. Hello? Yes. Achio maber. Kawuono to I'm not around. Kiny I'll be around. Oh, Lillian. Okay. Okay, no problem. Welcome. Okay. So, guys, the sun is coming to this side. The sun is coming to this side. I don't know. I should be vlogging like going this side, because when I turn this way, it's kind of get dark. So if I go this side, I'll be very far from home, but I was having a walk so that I can get home. But anyway, meanwhile, I'll try my best to show you the vlog. So guys, as you all know that, okay, I received a call from the office that am I around, and all that. So anyway, as you all know, for those who are returning to this YouTube channel, on Tuesday we are always off, and I decided to have this morning walk, coming to the nature, connecting to the nature. And I was thinking of even walking barefooted. Someone was saying that if you walk barefooted, like right now I decide to walk barefooted like this, there's kind of energy, the bad energy that maybe I was having bad energy, it's being distributed to the environment. So do you believe in that? But sometimes when we used to be young, walking barefooted used to be very nice, and you could feel better. Even right now, I feel much better when I walk barefooted. There's that connection that I'm having. So anyway guys, welcome to the vlog. If it is your first time coming to Rosette Experience YouTube channel, I've always gone to hike on that hill that is called Asego Hill. So for the new subscribers, right now I'm in Homa Bay County. I'm right in the deep of the villages of Homa Bay County. So this morning I was just having a walk as I connect to the nature. See? So, when you do some things, people can perceive them differently. People can have different view of anything that we do. So that's why personally I don't always judge. When someone is doing something, I don't always judge, because right now someone will come and have a look. Maybe someone, if passes here, will have a look at why am I walking barefooted, yet I'm having this. But the outside story of it, it's well known by me. Yeah. So welcome to the vlog. And as I was saying, it's been quite some times before posting in the street of YouTube. Why? Because of burnout. So in this specific video, I want to talk about burnout. Yeah, burnout in anytime that you create videos. Burnout is very, let me just have, so that people can't think that I'm mad anyway. So burnout, guys, being consistent is something else in YouTube. Not everyone will be consistent, so you just have to show up for yourself. But the moment you will feel tired, it's good to take a break. Like for me, I took some break, and I think right now it's about 2 weeks. Yeah, it's about 2 weeks. Yeah guys, it's about 2 weeks without making videos. So being a content creator is the most challenging thing. If you don't know, it's very challenging, I tell you. Today, just as I said, I want to talk about something called burnout. So it's not for me, but it's for each and every creator outside there. Maybe one time you have experienced this issue of burnout, and let's remember this. God created for 6 days. Yeah, God created for 6 days, and on the seventh day, God rested. Yeah, it's okay to take a break when you are creating videos. Yeah, it's very healthy. And guys, to be honest, everybody nowadays can be a content creator, and the difference become when, because nowadays everybody has a camera, everybody, the accessibility of cameras are always there, so anyone can become a content creator. But the difference comes when the consistency come in. So the difference is consistency. You can start with 10 videos, 20 videos. Yeah. There we go. Maybe this is gonna be the thumbnail of this YouTube video. There is high-rise apartment that is coming up in this area, and I think this for the this students residential. So in Homa Bay, there is Tom Mboya University, and this one is one of the hostels. Yeah, hostels, student residential hostel. So it's really coming out nicely. Let me try something. Can you see that? So I was talking about consistency. And even me, for the recent day, I've been feeling so much overwhelmed with making videos. And now that's where the pressure of making more and more videos comes in. You get pressurized. So, and that includes me. I'm also in that pressure. So, for example, this video, I ought to have done it long time ago, but I'm here today because I've been just around, but having the idea. It takes much commitment to take up a camera, shoot something, and put your name on it as maybe a director, as someone who created it. So behind all these, there has been a lot going on here in Rosette Experience YouTube channel. A lot has been really going on. Staying healthy, staying healthy, visiting friends, having time with families, and also just taking care of myself. So the reason for this is just to stay healthy, out of the living crisis also. A lot of things going on. So yeah. Let me find somewhere I can get at least. I've started to sweat. I was to do this walk very early in the morning, not when the sun is quite much bright. So guys, these areas have been really open because of the like the deep in the villages of Homa Bay is really open because of the university that is around, that is Tom Mboya. So you'll find that most of the hostels and everything, some of the students stays on the other deep sides of the villages. Yeah. Consistency, 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 consistency. Consistency, consistency, consistency. So it doesn't matter if you are burned out. If you want to take a break, you can as well take a break. Yeah, just like in anything that you do, you could decide to take a break and at least proceed from the next. Yeah. So I'm very happy because I'm back again. Yeah, it's good to be back. And in the next episodes I'll be making, let me not promise, but at least a change on variety of the content that I make. Yes, because as a creator, there are times that you will be having transitions in your creating journey. Like the type of videos you will be making will keep on changing, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So yeah, you must be flexible for the changes in making videos. As well, I'm always flexible for the changes. You'll find that sometimes I'll be doing at least inspiration videos. Sometimes I'll be changing to the photography videos. Sometimes just doing random vlogs. Yeah. Sometimes there's a day that I almost became a pastor. Wow, there's a very nice shade here. Let's see. There's a very nice shade here.